Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on crypto.com, step by step. So the tutorial today is how to find your crypto.com Bitcoin wallet address. First, open the crypto.com app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on Crypto Wallet. Next, scroll through your list of cryptocurrencies and tap on Bitcoin or BTC. Inside your Bitcoin wallet, tap on Transfer, then select Deposit. You'll now see your Bitcoin wallet address displayed on the screen. This is the address you used to receive Bitcoin into your crypto.com account. You can copy the address or use the QR code if you're sending BTC from another wallet or exchange. If this is your first time receiving Bitcoin, the app may ask you to generate or confirm your BTC wallet address. Follow the on-screen steps and confirm via email if prompted. And that's it. Once you have this address, you can safely receive Bitcoin into your crypto.com wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more crypto.com tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.